Affiliate marketing is a process in which an affiliate earns a commission for selling others' product or other company product. It means that you do not own any product in your hand, but you are promoting some other product and make commission. Affiliate marketing is a process in which an affiliate earns a commission for selling another person's product or company product. The affiliate simply search for a product according to their niche and starts promoting the product and earns piece of profit and commission for each sale they make. For example, if you are promoting any keto product, health diet, keto diet, and maybe in any travel packages, then if someone buy from your affiliate link, then you will make commission. So I hope you understand. This is a very simple way you can understand the concept of how this whole cycle works. So you are on this so you are at this level. So you are affiliate, you are promoting any product like affiliate product, maybe keto product, maybe loan offers, maybe any educational product, maybe any e-commerce product, and you bring the customer to your affiliate link or affiliate offer. And if that customer or that visitor will purchase from your affiliate link, then you will make commission. So this is the entire business process of affiliate marketing and affiliate process. Now, what are the best affiliate networks? So all know that Amazon is the very best affiliate network in the world. So Amazon Associate is a top one affiliate network, and ClickBank is another best affiliate network in the world. Max Bounty have also CPA offers. So I will tell you what is the CPA offer and what is the difference between CPA and affiliate offers. And Admitard is also a good. Fiverr is a freelancing platform. If you bring someone on Fiverr and if they purchase or sell any product on Fiverr, then you will get commission. So these are the best affiliate networks. Now, what are the requirements to get approval on this affiliate website? So I hear lots of time that sir, can you provide me approvals, and can you provide me Max Bounty approval, ClickBank approval? No, in this way this system will not work. You have to have your audience, you have to have your website, you have to have your traffic, either YouTube channel, either social media followers, blogging website, they must have traffic so that you can promote your offer. So this is very simple. So understand the logic. So if you do not have any traffic, if you do not have any audience, then how we can promote products? Understand my point? Now, the best part of affiliate marketing is CPA marketing. CPA marketing is also a part of affiliate marketing. It is somehow the same, but thing is that in affiliate marketing you have to make the sale to make commission, to secure the commission. But in CPA marketing, no need to sell the product. You just provide some cost per action or cost per marketing, which gives you commission. For example, suppose someone looking for a loan, and you are offering the loan CPA offers. So if someone fill the form, if someone fill the lead generation form, you will get paid. So this is the beauty of CPA marketing. You don't have to make the sale, just to make cost per actions, so that your visitors will do meaningful task, then you will get paid. So task can be email submit, lead generations, trial offers, credit card submit. So these are the CPA actions. So CPA marketing is slightly easier than affiliate marketing. Why? Because affiliate marketing you need to make sale to make commission, but in CPA marketing you just provide or just want your visitors to make cost per actions. So how we can promote? So what is the best method to promote CPA marketing? If you have a traffic, if you have an audience, then no need to spend money on ads. So how we can promote? The best part is that if you have a traffic, if you have an audience, if you have a followers, then no need to spend money on ads. But if you do not have anything, you just having website. So for bringing the traffic to your offer, you need to spend money on ads, maybe social media ads, maybe Facebook ads, maybe Google ads, maybe feed traffic, maybe native ads. So these are the ad networks where we can bring the traffic to our offer. So You can also try with free methods, but you can, by most of times, super affiliates only promote through the ads. So they spend lots of money on ads, and they bring the sale, and then they customize and then scale down the campaign on the basis of the data. So I hope you understand though how the affiliate marketing works, what is the business model. Our case study is all about search ads. So in this whole process, I'm going to promote the offer using search ads. So our upcoming video is all about how we can select the offer, how we can create landing pages, how we can create the campaign, and how we can make the sale. So I hope you understand. And so if you have any doubt, any questions, then feel free to ask through comment box. I will definitely try to answer the questions. If you are a first time visitor to our channel, then feel free to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and share the video as much you can, so that others will also learn the concept of CPA marketing, affiliate marketing. That's it from today's video. Thank you so much.